So today I'm washing the truck because I need to clean out the inside of the wheel well so I can go ahead and install my wheel well guards. I went ahead and bought some on Amazon. They were having a deal, so I went ahead and bought these Husky liners, guys. So it's only two. So it asks, I was looking at the instructions, it's asking for me to go ahead and clean it out before putting these on to protect it. So they shouldn't be too bad. They should be pretty simple to install. There's 4 clips and 4 screws. So pre-made holes already in the wheel well. So it shouldn't be too bad. There's 1, 2, and 1 on either side. One here and 1 on the other end. So I'll get this installed. Okay, so I took them out and they have a stamp with the number on them. So DS for driver's side and then PS for passenger side. There. Then here's the DS. So I just kind of set them next to where I need them. Clips. Okay, so I need 4 U clips for each side. There. 4 screws and 4 screws. There you go. Alright, so let's go ahead. I guess I can start. So I washed the inside already, so I'm gonna just dry it up so it won't be wet before I put the clips on the actual wheel well. So I already washed it. I'm just kind of drying it up so it's not wet when I put the actual guard on here. There you go. Okay. To start off, I'm gonna use the first 2 U clips and put them into these pre-made holes already in here, because that's gonna catch the actual screw. So there's 1, and then the other one's over here on this side. There we go. Okay, and then from there, we'll bring 2 screws real quick. It's just to go ahead and bring the wheel well guard inside. Okay, take it all the way down, and then at the front it just goes behind the actual lip. Cross this way, easier. Lip on this end needs to go inside. Oh, here, let me do this side. So I had to actually wiggle the fender cover a little bit to the side so I can make sure that it actually meets the hole. So I don't know if you guys will see this, but it's right there. So I can screw this one in. And the screw already has that washer on there. So hopefully this will help for the the other hole. Let's see. Where's it at? Oh, I need to move the U-clip on this one as well. Let me go ahead and do that. So I actually have to get under the truck to make it a little easier to get to this U-clip and move it over because it was too far to one side. So I went ahead and it was easier for me to get under the truck instead of trying to move this stuff around. So I can go ahead and install this one. Let's see here. Did it catch the clip? Well, nice. Okay, so we're set there. So that's the first two clips and screws. And then for the ones on either end, it's just to actually take the screw to the hole because it's already meeting the truck, and use the U-clip on the back. So let me try doing that. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's see. You know what? I need to bring a smaller screwdriver. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in the screw through the hole already because it's already meeting the truck. I'm just taking U-clip instead of putting it on the side since it's too far. I'm putting it behind the back, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and screw in the actual screw into the U-clip, and it'll catch the guard and it'll catch the truck as well. There we go. Done. Okay, and then same thing to the other side. Since the hole is too far from the edge, we're just gonna go ahead and again put the screw to the pre-made hole here, and take the U-clip and put it to the back, and then go ahead and get that. Okay, so here we go. I'm screwing in the actual screw into the U-clip in the back so I can tighten this guard to the actual car. There we go. And we're done on this end. So that's how it looks now.
Show me the back.
The back of this. So this is how it looks in the back. So where's it at? You can see it right there. There's that U-clip to the back, actually attaching the guard to the truck. This is how it looks once it's installed with the 4 screws, and at the other end, on the inside of your actual the lip of the wheel well. So it'll be a lot easier to just kind of rinse it off and protect the inside of the back. And you don't see all the guts in the back either.
Hello.
They're gonna I just finished installing the 2 wheel well guards, and it wasn't too bad. I would say the hardest part is actually putting the actual guard into the wheel well. Other than that, putting in the screws and the clips it's pretty easy. I would say the toughest one is the one that's closest to the cab. But thank you for watching. Remember guys, to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been really busy with work, and you know, the holidays coming around. But thanks again, and I'll see you next time.